Hello!
Welcome to Behind the Boot, everybody.
We hope that you're having a great day wherever you are.
We're right in the middle of March break,
Yes, we are here at the Rose Theatre in Brampton.
Ontario, and we're still in full winter right now, which is great.
Yeah, check out. Oh no, I can't show you the snow. I was going to,
Yeah.
but the blinds are closed.
So,
It's a full-on snowstorm here in Brampton.
yeah, so
so.
we're about to do our second show right now, so we thought we'd just kind of tune in and say hello.
Hello and happy March break, and tell us what you're doing for March
Yeah.
break this week. We would love to hear your plans. Just write them below.
Write them down.
Write them down. Tell us. Should we sing a song?
Yeah. Let's do what's it called? Don't forget that I love you.
I love you, sweetie pie. You're the apple of my eye. I wrote this song thinking of you. You simply have a way of making each and every day a little more special. Yes, it's true. And don't forget that